How to log in to Tim Hortons account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, start by opening the Tim Hortons app or visiting a web browser. In the search bar, you can go ahead and simply search for timhortons.my. And inside here, you want to go ahead and simply enter your mobile number or email address linked to your Tim Hortons account. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on continue. And just like that, Tim Hortons uses a secure sign-in system, so instead of entering a password, you'll receive a one-time login code in your mobile device or email. So open up your email or your message application, copy the code and enter if prompted. And if you don't receive any email or SMS, you can check your spam folder and make sure that you're using the correct number and email address. Once the code is verified, you will be logged in and can access your account, reward offer, and mobile ordering. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.